And welcome to another video. I'm Dennis, and in this one we're going to dive deep into flows. Flows is by far one of our most powerful features. It will allow you to tackle everything from pre, during, and post call actions within Nedzo AI. Now, first thing you want to do is go to your flow section in the top and click on it. Bear in mind that if you are on the business plan, you might not see this feature available yet. Although if you're on any plan, agency and above, you have this enabled in your top bar. Now, once you're there, you have a couple things that you can look at. First, flows. These are automation flows that you can create. Each one of these items is a separate flow, and you can create as many as you like. Then next to it, you have runs. This is where you will be able to look and analyze every single time a flow ran, and also issues. If you have any issues in your flows, well, it's impossible for you to stay on top of them every single minute. So that's why we created issues. So that way we'll highlight any flows that have errors or failures so they can dive in quick and, of course, improve them or fix them. Now, if I go back to flows, here on the left section, you can create folders. So you can give it a name, for example. There we go. And then you can, of course, if you go to all flows, you can select them. And then you can select a specific folder where you would like to organize or send that flow to. Okay. This is just to keep everything neat and organized. Now, on the top, you'll see flow name. So if you want to quickly search, you can just search by name, for example, or you can also filter by status, for example, on only enabled ones or only see disabled ones, and also by connection. So you'll have multiple connections within your flows. And if you want just to see the ones that actually have the ones that you want, well, you'll be able to see them here. Okay. Perfect. Now, that being said, if you want to create a new flow, you have two ways of doing it. One, if you click here on the arrow, you'll see create from scratch or use a template. We are building more and more templates, and a template essentially is a formula, or let's say a snapshot that we already built with all different actions and triggers. So you can just go in, plug and play. Today, or at the moment of recording this video, I have this template here: Facebook, new lead, instant call. Although very soon, or probably while you're watching this video, you already have a lot more here for all different use cases. Before I dive in and show you how to build a flow, in this video, I just want to give you a quick overview of what flows are for. Essentially, if you're used to automation tools, let's say Zapier, Make.com, or N8N, now you don't need to use them anymore. This is like all those tools, but on steroids. Why? Well, because now they work together with your AI agents. So they can handle dynamic information all in one app. And of course, you can use it for more things than just creating pre, post, or doing or throughout call actions for your agents. But the main reason why we build flows is to make sure that you can connect Nedzo with any tool that you need: CRMs, invoicing systems, emails, text messages, and even, for example, complex systems that require API calls or even coding. Now, this is a tool that is designed, or a section that is designed to be very user-friendly, but for those of you who are power users, you will definitely be able to squeeze a lot of juice out of this bad boy. Now, on the next video, I'm going to dive in and create a flow from scratch and show you all the different aspects of it. But for now, you have an overview of what flows are for. Catch you on the next one.